Hey Maria, Corey here. I'm just going to send over your 3 free tips that you can apply to your website so you can actually start drawing in more quality traffic to your site. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. I like your little new system estimate. It's a nice little call to action. I would blow that up. People like to see money off, percentage off, a free estimate. Blow it up and give them a good reason to call. Plus, it's easier to navigate too. But anyway, the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Google really to get those high rankings with Google really comes down to authoric content on your page. Like how much detailed information that you're giving the general public, what you do, how you do it, plus these images, what they're saved as. It all matters. You can actually, instead of doing 2020 fall carrier cool cache, instead of keeping that you're saved in the behind the scenes of the image, you can actually do keywords, buying intent keywords. That'll make a world of difference for your rankings. So first tip, beef up your content. I like to be around 15 to 2,000 words. Change out your pictures as well to more buyer's intent keywords. If I go right inside to Google and type in heating repair San Jose, this is what's going to pop up. You got these Google guarantees right here. These are brand new to Google. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. Underneath those ads, you have this little map section. And really to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. But we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that map section is where all that organic traffic lands. And really, to get the rankings in this area, really comes down to having that high authoric content on your pages, plus being able to be found for those keywords, and also a high authoric backlink. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your website. So right now I can see you got 91 referring domains, which is pushing back 317 backlinks. Look like historically you've had 2,000 backlinks. Backlinks will obviously, come and go. You had your backlinking journey in 2014, and then a lot of those fell off 2017, and looks like in 2020 you started doing some more backlinking again. But anyway, so from those backlinks, you're being tracked for 871 keywords. And in return, you're getting about 137 clicks to your website every month. And these 137 clicks, they're coming from these keywords, and I can actually see the traffic on what keywords are actually you're being found for. So we got modulating system, furnace popping noise, air conditioning chirping noise, Cooper Brothers heating service, your name. Cooper Brothers Inc. 72 degrees. HVAC melt. Oh, hang on. I'm just looking for more buyer's intent keywords on here. Gosh. Concentrate. Oh, there we go. HVAC San Jose, California. That's a really buyer's intent keyword. That's a good ranking word there. But you're 21st position, so you're missing all the traffic that comes from it. HVAC San Jose, same thing. 24th position. There's 100 clicks every month for that one keyword. So what we got to do is find keywords. Actually, can you put this right here? This is one of your competitions out there in San Jose. And if we actually take their URL, stick it inside of Ahrefs, let me give you a quick overview of what they're doing. I had to make sure it was the right tab because I have too many tabs open here. So right now they got 397 keywords are being found for. They got 72 referring domains, which is only pushing back 403 keywords, or a backlink, excuse me. They got 110 clicks to their website, but I just want to give you an example of some of keywords that we actually need to be found for. And these guys aren't really doing the best of job either. I could have found a better example for you, but giving the example of some keywords we would want to go after and really hit hard on are like air conditioning repair San Jose, CA. There's 80 clicks every month there. HVAC San Jose, CA. There's 60 clicks. San Jose heating, 30 clicks. HVAC companies in San Jose, CA. There's 20 clicks. HVAC repair San Jose, 70 clicks. San Jose HVAC, 30 clicks. So what we'd want to do is go through these keywords. 150 clicks, air conditioning San Jose. So there's a lot of clicks that we can actually go after, or a lot of keywords we can go after. And as long as we're being ranked for those keywords, we got the authoric content plus those high quality backlinks. The quality of traffic will just be, they'll come in a lot more than what you've been seeing. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, or you think that I might have a few tricks up my sleeve, I'd love to hear back from you. My number is 702-292-0810. Thanks again. Bye.